Hi everyone, it's Alicia, and today I'm joined again by Mike, the Business Unit Manager of Seiko AEI Polymers Distribution. Mike, how are you doing today?
Doing great. How are you doing, Alicia?
I'm doing well, thank you. So today we're discussing a case study. We're going to be talking about improvement in coefficient of friction in nylon W and C using Javachem GT-805. So you're going to be telling us a success story of Javachem GT-805 and some of the advantages of the product. So at this point, I would just like to turn it over to you for the case study.
Okay. Today we're going to talk about a specific customer success story that we had with the Javachem silicone masterbatch GT-805. If you look at Javachem products, Javachem is one of the leading silicone masterbatch producers in Asia. Their silicone masterbatches are functionalized. It gives them better dispersion and reduced exudation, so they stay in the formulation better. These products are easier for them to produce, and they're consistent and globally commercial. So we are very competitive on the global market with those. The large market exists for silicone masterbatches to improve mold filling and surface appearance, and in this case, increase the coefficient of friction of a cable jacket. So we had a wire cable producer that was producing THHN building wire. Now that's a building wire that has a nylon jacket. And that material, or that jacket, was on a cable that was to be installed in conduits. If you can imagine a conduit with long runs and lots of turns, it's hard to pull that through. So you need a lower coefficient of friction so it will slide through the conduit easier. We suggested that they add a little GT-805 to the process at about a 3 to 5% loading. Now, GT-805 is 50% siloxane in a nylon 6 carrier. The addition of that GT-805 was done at the extruder, and it produced a cable jacket with a much smoother surface and a much better coefficient of friction. They were using a competitive material in the range of 11%. So we were able to reduce that down to 5% or less. So that was a greater than 50% reduction in the amount of slip agent that they were using. Another advantage that we found was that it reduced die drool. They were using so much of the other material to get the same coefficient of friction that it was beginning to build up on the surface of the die and cause problems with the jacket. So they were very happy that we were able to solve that problem with the GT-805. So just to review, the GT-805 is a silicone masterbatch from Javachem that's fully compatible with nylon compounds. It reduced the loading required versus competitive additives, and eliminated the die drool that our customer was seeing while increasing the smoothness and gave them a reduced coefficient of friction of their jacket surface. So if you're a producer of cable jacketing that would like a better surface of your jacket, or you're a compounder who makes compounds for the cable industry, we would suggest that you give us a call about this material, the GT-805.
All right, fantastic, Mike. It's so great to hear a story about one of your products being super successful. And usually we have these videos that are very technical where we're just learning the specs of the products and things. So I'm really excited to jump into this case study and future case studies on the blog.
Right. We will be putting out those case studies a lot more in the future.
Great. So if you're watching this video and you'd like to find out more about the silicone master batches that Mike has mentioned, or any of the other products that Seiko AEI Polymers Distribution has, you can get in contact with them by phone or on the website, as Mike said. And if you're also interested, you can send an email to sales@seikoaei.com. Thanks again, Mike.
You're welcome.